Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience. Today, we're diving into the world of SuperRare, found at https://superrare.com. This platform distinguishes itself as a curated marketplace for digital art, offering a unique experience for both artists and collectors. Think of it as a high-end gallery in the digital realm, where each piece is a one-of-a-kind, tokenized creation. This isn't your average online art marketplace. SuperRare focuses on showcasing exceptional digital artwork, ensuring a level of quality and exclusivity that sets it apart. They've cultivated a community that values the artistic process and the innovative nature of digital art. Artists undergo a rigorous application process to be featured, which helps maintain the platform's prestigious reputation and ensures a high caliber of work. When browsing SuperRare, you'll encounter a diverse range of digital art forms, from still images and animations to interactive pieces and 3D models. The platform leverages blockchain technology to authenticate and verify the ownership of each artwork, providing a secure and transparent environment for transactions. For collectors, SuperRare offers a chance to invest in unique digital assets and support cutting-edge artists. The platform fosters a sense of connection between artists and their patrons, creating a vibrant community around the appreciation and exchange of digital art. By utilizing the blockchain, SuperRare provides artists with a new level of control over their work, enabling them to track provenance, receive royalties on secondary sales, and engage directly with their collectors. So, whether you're an artist seeking a platform to showcase your unique digital creations, or a collector looking to discover and acquire exceptional digital art, SuperRare presents an exciting opportunity to engage with the burgeoning world of digital art and ownership.